The cats at our table, we check their tags to see what the doctor has found their weight to be and if they need anything special treatment-wise. And we also look at the weight so that we know how to apply the revolution that we talked about earlier. Trisha's going to tell you what I'm doing as I do it because I want to focus on what I'm doing.
All right, so first of all, she's checking his ears. Oh, she removed a hemostat from his ear. Checking his ears to see if he does need them, in fact, cleaned.
He's pretty clean.
Ears are clean.
Very clean kitty.
Very clean ears. So first vaccine is a rabies vaccine that goes in the right rear hindquarters. She's going to administer now. There you go. That was rabies vaccine. Next is a distemper vaccine that she's going to give in the right front shoulder. Right front shoulder for the distemper. Sometimes the male kitties have some tough skin, so it's a little difficult to get the needle in.
Instantly.
All right, so that was distemper vaccine. Next, according to the kitty's weight, she's going to apply Revolution.
I've already pulled it in the syringe.
Which is applied to the back of the neck between the shoulder blades directly onto the skin. And again, this treats for fleas, ear mites, and some intestinal parasites.
Not a happy kitty.
Just going to give him a little brush. Just make sure there's no mats. Look for any wounds.
Sorry about that.
Give him a little massage. Turn him over.
Not seeing anything wound-wise. Very clean kitty cat. And then we did the otoscope. Now we're just going to clean his wounds a little bit.
Just
And then
gonna
this kitty can go back in his crate to rest and relax.
There she
Trish, how
is.
long do we put him in the crate for? How long do we stay in the crate?
to recover.
Yeah.
It depends on where they have availability to keep them, possibly overnight confined. Females take a little bit longer to recover. So it depends on the cat.
Okay, well, thanks. We're going to put this little baby to bed.
All right, nighty-night.